Suno is back with some quality of life improvements to its platform, and I wanted to share those updates with you. First up, the way that lyrics are managed has been completely revamped. Under the advanced section, when you have your lyrics in the creation flow, you can click on this button to open in full screen in the lyrics editor. In the top right, lyrics will now autosave. So as you begin to make changes, it will autosave for you. And now there's also a lyrics history. So if you click on this button that says saved lyrics, you can now see a history of your lyrics. And if you ever wanted to go back, you just find the one in your list, you click on it, and then Suno will revert back to those lyrics. When you're finished, just simply click done. Another new feature, if you're in the process of writing lyrics and you're struggling to complete them, if you highlight the line, you're going to see a pop-up that says variations. Click on that and Suno will work to auto-complete the lyric on your behalf. If you're satisfied with one of these options, you can click on it and continue. But if you're not satisfied with any of these options, there is a reroll button at the bottom right, and it's going to regenerate new variations for you. You can keep doing this, select the one that you want, and then it'll be added to your lyrics. Next up is the lyric assistant. It's not abundantly clear in this area, but if you highlight your mouse over help me with lyrics, there's now a lyricist option. Click on that, give it a name, and then write down the kind of personality that this particular lyricist should have. I'm going to write upbeat, high energy. Of course, you'll want to add more to this, but for the purposes of this example. And then we're going to go to new lyrics. We're going to add the lyric, click OK. And then Suno now knows to use this specific lyricist style to help improve this lyric based on the personality that it was given. So if we click on create lyric, as we continue working, it's going to be referenced in the style of that lyricist. And then if you want to get rid of it and you don't want to write in that lyricist style, just click the X button and you're back to the default. Lots of comments get left voicing frustration about how when Suno releases new features on the web, they leave out the app. Suno is listening, and with this lyrics update, they've also included sharing lyrics directly from Apple's Notes, voice memo apps directly to Suno's mobile app. And another feature is the ability to take a screenshot of lyrics and also share that directly to the Suno app as well. Suno will take those lyrics and automatically convert them, adding them to the song creation flow. Another update that gives feature parity between the app and web is in the app being able to pick the gender of your vocalist. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content popping up that you can click on right here.